We flew to Bentonville, Arkansas for my nephew's wedding in our Grumman Tiger a couple of days ago. Between roughly 4.5 hours of flight time in the Tiger and 11 plus hours of driving with kids, the choice was very easy. Oh, there are not a whole lot of choices with regards to airlines either. Even if I found a ticket that worked, it was still expensive. So flying general aviation made perfect sense in this case. But getting here wasn't without a challenge. You can check out my Atlanta to Bentonville trip video on my channel. It was a great wedding and I had a great time catching up with my cousins and their families after a long time. I wish the newlyweds, Arvind and Karthika, a lifetime of happiness. Getting back to this flight, it gets even better. With strong winds behind us, the return flight is even shorter. Almost an hour shorter.
Say clear prop with me.
Clear prop.
Clear prop.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, runway 36 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 36 cleared for takeoff, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, contact departure.
Contact departure, 6 Romeo Delta. Springdale departure, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta departed from Springdale, climbing to 4000, runway heading.
For 66 Romeo Delta, Razorback departure, radar contact, climb, maintain 9000, turn right heading 070.
Turn right 070, 9000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn right on course.
Turn right on course, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, contact Memphis Center 126.85, good day.
126.85, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Memphis Center, good afternoon, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 9000.
66 Romeo Delta, Memphis Center, the Clinton altimeter is 3013.
3013, 6 Romeo Delta. Hey, welcome back. So we had a good time at the wedding. Now we are headed home. So we had a pretty good, we have a pretty good tail right now, so we're doing at least 30 plates knots of tailwind. So we should get home in another 2.5 hours.
Are you wondering what's going on with my heading on the G5? I think I sort of figured out the issue. I will discuss that separately. We made sure to match our departure time with the little guy's nap time and it worked out great. The little guy slept pretty much throughout the flight. The air was smooth at 9,000 feet and minimal ATC chatter made the flight a lot more enjoyable. But I did hear people complaining about turbulence below us.
Alright, welcome back. So we're gonna be landing soon. 24 minutes to go. Had a nice smooth ride.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, you now clear to Petrie DeKalb Airport via direct to Suite T for the Suite T2 arrival.
Alright, Suite 2 arrival for 6 Romeo Delta.
And November 6 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000, 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta approach 121.0.
121.0, 6 Romeo Delta. Atlanta approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, descending to 5,000.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta approach, Atlanta altimeter 3001, advise 8 is Juliet at the Cap Peachtree, second vector spray, visual approach to 21 left.
Have 8 is Juliet for KPDK, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, thank you, verify leaving 6,000.
Leaving 6,000 to 5,000.
Falcon 500 Lima Yankee, Atlanta. November 66 Romeo Delta, continue on your present heading, vectors for sequence.
66 Romeo Delta will continue on present heading.
November 66 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 070.
0706 Romeo Delta.
066 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 090 now.
0906 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta approach 126.907.
2697 6 Romeo Delta. Then approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta level 5000.
176 Bravo Kilo, traffic off your left hand side, northbound 6000, Learjet.
Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta level 5000.
Finger 377 Pop, land departure, ident, maintain 3000. Number 66 Romeo Delta, land approach, roger. Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, maintain 100 knots.
I'll maintain 100 knots 600.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 120, traffic currently 12 o'clock and 5 miles, southwest bound to King Air, descending out of 4,200 going into Peachtree. Let me know when you have them in sight or the airport.
I have the airport in sight, 6 Romeo Delta.
Approach is at 366, 9500, sending 8000 at D-hand 8 is Juliet.
Exit 366, Atlanta approach, roger, land altimeter 3001, expect visual approach 21 left, Peachtree.
Better.
And 6 Romeo Delta, I had to talk with somebody, but did you say you had the traffic or the airport?
I have the airport in sight, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, roger. 6 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 4000.
4000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Exit 366, proceed direct sham, I'll have lower in just a moment.
6 Romeo Delta, we have the traffic going to PDK inside.
For 6 Romeo Delta, follow the King Air, cleared visual approach, runway 21 left.
Follow the King Air, cleared for visual for 21 left, 6 Romeo Delta.
For 6 Romeo Delta, contact Peachtree Tower 120.9er. Have a great day.
Contact Tower, 6 Romeo Delta, thanks for your help. Peachtree Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, onto 1 left.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, you're number 2, following a King Air on a 4.5 mile final, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Runway 21 left, clear to land, we have the King Air inside. Avia, hold on to your iPad.
Tower is at 366, visual 21 left.
Set at 366 Peachtree Tower, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Land 21 left, that's at 366.
November 66 Romeo Delta, right on Charlie, hold short, runway 21 right, remain my frequency.
We can turn on Delta, 6 Romeo Delta, that's worked for you.
6 Romeo Delta, roger, right on Delta, hold short, runway 21 right, remain my frequency.
Right on Delta, hold short 200, 6 Romeo Delta. Hello.
November 66 Romeo Delta, cross runway 21 right, contact ground point 6, have a good day.
Cross runway 21 right, contact ground 6 Romeo Delta.
We left Bentonville after lunch and made it home for dinner, which made my airplane basically a time machine.
Good job, Kavya. Good job for holding the bag. Good job for holding the bag tight because it's gonna be a bumpy landing.
Thanks for riding along and make sure to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.